To Yardstyle live.
That's what we say, see? And you have other team members. As we say, how do we would gel together with all of that? Like, you know, Badda, Bling, and the man I have. Wait a minute. Yeah, tall man cool. Yeah, how no work out that part? Because you don't know.
It's simple. In every situation, you know, there has to be a leader, you know. And it's like you have a company where I sell certain products, but them have that one product where stand out. Like I could say Grace then.
Yeah.
Everybody know Grace mackerel. But Grace have canned beef, them have Vienna sausage, them have everything else. So we feel comfortable. We know about the potential. Not saying that we not accept him leadership and them thing. We just know say him are the man who go out there and him are the face of the sound. That means everybody get them fair credit. And then the thing about it is this. When Badda I work at an event, him give credit to the team to say, big up my brother Liquorich, big up my brother Keena Russian, big up Talbas over there. So it's a family thing. It's
like that.
Yeah,
Family?
so we just keep it on the level.
Say?
Family.
Walk one, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.